This is a large farm in Ohio, USA, planting tens of thousands of acres of soybeans. 3 John Deere X910 combines are harvesting in the field, creating a spectacular scene. The X910, produced by John Deere, is equipped with a self-developed 13.6-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine with a maximum output of 684 horsepower, providing strong power. In front, it has a John Deere RDF45 header with a width of 13.7 meters. As it moves, the header automatically cuts the soybean plants and feeds them into the machine. Inside, the threshing device quickly separates the beans, storing them in the top grain tank, while the stalks are crushed and expelled from the back. The grain tank on top of the combine has a capacity of 1,480 liters. Once full, it unloads at a speed of 162 liters per second into a transport truck, emptying the entire tank in less than 10 seconds. This combination is known for its impressive efficiency, capable of harvesting an hour. It can harvest 80 tons of soybeans covering over 30 acres. So, here's the question. If you also planted tens of thousands of acres of soybeans, would you buy this machine?